What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. And it's late as hell because it's the day before Thanksgiving. It's night or it's the evening. But yeah, Nike Westlake, they're still open. Let's go check it out. Happy freaking Thanksgiving, you guys. Happy Thanksgiving if you live in the United States. If you don't, then that's sad for you. Sneakers wise, at least, you know, because yeah, I think they've already started all their Black Friday stuff. It is 30% off entire purchase. I think that's their Black Friday deal. All right, hopefully I didn't miss out because it's a reseller with like 30-40 things. Holy crap, they have a bunch of stuff up top. Is that extra heat items? I don't know. You got some golf right here, $110. These go for $110 as well, both size 11. Size 11, remember you do get that 30% off. Is that the thumbnail? I don't know. So I have been looking for these. This is size 12 for a family member. These are the, what are these? The Go Fly Ease. So this is great for people, people who can't really bend down and stuff like that, or have issues with their hand stuff, have issues with laces in general. Just put your foot in and then put your foot right here and then you just pull out. It automatically opens up like that. Super dope design. Yeah, these are normally $120, and then look at the price, $70. Get that extra 30 off. Yeah, that's cheap. That's cheap, man. That's under 50 bucks. So I grabbed that one right there. There is a size 11 or size 13. My bad. There's a size 13 as well. I don't see nothing great that's any bigger. This is a size 13 right here. 100 bucks for Air Max 90s. Damn, if I found a size 11, I would buy it. I might be able to ask actually. Yeah, Vomero, this is a size 14, going for 90. Fly Ease right here, Pegasus Fly Ease. These are going for $50, 50 bucks. This UCLA colorway, this is size 12 and a half, going for 105. That is a size 12. Air Force One React, size 11 and a half, going for 130. Do got a Core Legacy, going for $35. Look at that, size 11 and a half. Alpha Fly Next Percent. These are going for this one says, oh, 150. Dang, if I had my, so that would be what, 105, I believe. Oh, are all of these the Nike? Oh, damn. Oh, I guess so. Yeah, they have a bunch of different colorways. I think one of the resellers was trying to buy those. I see this cart right here. Nike says they're cutting down on reselling, and then Fool's got carts. I think I saw a reseller up front. He had at least like 30 pairs, like I said. I'm going everywhere today, like all up and down. Pegasus 39's going for $60 freaking dollars. Like after 30% off, that's what, $41? Is it $42? Holy crap. Kyrie Infinities right here going for 60 bucks. This size 11. I'm not a fan of this colorway. If I liked this colorway, I would definitely buy it. $60. So is that 42 after the savings? This one's going for 130, size 11. Phantom React Flyknit's going for $80, a size 10. This colorway going for 130, size 10. Soldiers down to 90, that's a 10 and a half. Is that one priced wrong? Because this one says $120. This is size 11. Size 10, they had that for 60. Or Kyrie Infinity, these are going for $80. So 80 times 30% off, hella cheap. I think I showed that one earlier. Alpha Flight with the replacement box right there, go for $150. 6.5 going for $80. Trainers go for $90. You do get that 30% off, man. 6.5. This is a Vapor NXT Hardcourt for tennis. Look at that, got traction all the way on the inside. These are worse than the Kyries. Like Kyries always had traction on the side, so you could do that crazy sidestepping thing. Got these little things. These showed up on the Jordan 14s originally, right? $150 for those. Size 10, Tempo Next Percent's going for 130. There are a bunch of spaces. It means people are buying all kinds of stuff already, dang. All right, let's check out the aisles, see what's going on in the aisles. I don't think we call them aisles, but whatever. So you all know what I mean. SB alley-oops. I've seen a bunch of these. The Genomes. Soldiers right here, Soldier 14s. Remember, it is 30% off everything, not just not just the clearance section, dude. So $7 for these. Witness 6s, Flytrap 5s, or these soldiers. Jordan Access. I was curious about what was here because 30% off here. That's the moneymaker. That's the, I'm not reselling, but that's what's up. That's what's up. Like to be able to get that for 30% off. This is what I'm talking about. Man, this is what's up. That's what's up. Man, $210 for these. They do have multiple sizes. The material is so dope on these. 11 low IEs. Someone was hating on these. Like someone was talking about how terrible they are. Like they are one of the OGs, man. They are one of the OGs. You know, I think the bread colorway, I think, was one of the original ones when Jordan wore them way back when. We got the Air Forces, Waffle Ones, Air Force One lows. I think this is the one with the nicer leather. Yeah, this got some of that nicer leather. Not super nice, just nicer than really crappy. Air Max 97s. He's got the OG boxes on them. Also, the Jordan 11s and 12s, some of them came in those. I don't think anything over here has changed. This is the performance section right here. So we got the Monarchs. How dare they put this in the performance section? We got Metcon 7s, Free Run 2s, another one of those. I guess it's Trail 3s, another one of those. And that's what I'm talking about, like the full, at least 30 pairs. I guess this is a 39, 4E, the wide ones. Damn, that price is low. Especially with the 30% off. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s. And the Vomero 16s go for hella cheap. I got a few more deals right there. What I am wearing, you guys, Nike Dunk High. These are the All-Star 2019 release. It is a collab with Nike and Black Sheep for the Charlotte Hornets. These little stinger on the back. Leather is hella nice on the Super A1. And then, yeah, wearing sweats and a hoodie. I did wear sweats and a hoodie to work today. Don't tell my boss, man. So if you see those deals right there, you know, $20 for that stuff, $25 for that. Remember, you get to add another 30% off everything. So, man, you're gonna be able to buy hoodies for 30% off, 25 bucks. Oh my God, things are almost free, man. Things are almost free. Clearance section. We did check this out. Oh, it was like a week ago, I want to say. Nothing too crazy. You got these jerseys. These are smalls. These are regular price on 90 bucks. This is Cincinnati Bengals shirt. This is actually really dope. Oh no, this is a Tiger Woods collection. Oh, it's a Tiger, Tiger Woods collection. $29.99, normally $35. That is a small though, only smalls. Got a running dry fit shirt, go for $20. These are normally $60. That's a medium. Nike Jordan shirt, $20, normally $25. This is not normally $25. This is normally $35, dude. Come on now. Do got a LeBron James jersey. I haven't seen this black one. $120. That's an XL. Do got this one as well. I think these were on sale on the Nike website too. This is $55. This is Swingman, 55 bucks to get 30% off on top of that. I don't know, what's the math? Was that 35 bucks? 35 bucks. Swingman normally 110, but still that's a hell of a deal. Wow. So yeah, these are 30% off. That's what, 50 bucks. I don't know how much the t-shirt is, but look at this. $25 for those hoodies right there. It says jacket only, but there are no jackets. There's no jackets. What jackets are they talking about? So $25 and then you get another 30% off. Almost free, man, almost free. These as well, that's just crazy, insane cheap. Got another colorway in the bottom. Kids like being annoying over there, yelling and stuff. I'm looking for black hoodie, but they don't have it here. I'm gonna go to one other spot after, so I might have to check there. Do got these, does this say Air? Yeah, it says Air right there with the surfboards. $30. These are all mediums. Got this weird hoodie. It goes up super high. Normally 100 down to 70. I got this flowery one going for 50, 30% off. All this stuff. The Dodger one's not bad. It's kind of expensive, $70. Not too bad, but you know, it is a small. We saw these go for hella cheap last week. $35. You get 30% off on top of that. These are smalls though. We got 2 left. Same as last week. All right. That LeBron jersey, that was the highlight of the kid section over there. All right. Got some of the people the resellers with all the carts and stuff. All right, let's go check out the women's section. See what's going on here. 30% off everything. Oh, these came in women's too. This came in $180. This is a size 12. This is a size 11.5. Go for $100. As I mentioned numerous times, I don't mind the reselling. Just it's Nike's approach, like the fact that they say, hey, they're gonna crack down, and then like they don't really do anything. Like just say, hey, reselling's a part of the game. That's all I'm saying. You know, like Nike's just full of crap. We have $70 for these. Not too bad. Size 10.5 women's. These are size 11, 105. Vaporfly Next Percent's going for 160. That's the size 10. Air Force One. Is that? No. Where's the? I don't know where that is. All right. 120. You get one. You get one side, I guess. Infinity Flyknit 3s going for 140. Max 90 going for 100. These are size 7.5. The women's section, just not much. Size 7 go for 70. Old Pegasus, what, 34s, 35s go for $35. Oh, that is how cheap though. Size 7, 30% off. What is that? 25 bucks? Wow. 26, 27, I don't know. Under 30. You're getting older tech, you know. You're getting Lunar Lawn. Yeah, you got the Invincible Run Flyknits go for $100. These are 6.5. They got size 7 too. All right, we're gonna check the women's house, and then I gotta go. I got one more outlet to hit up because I need a vlog for Black Friday for you guys. And then I'm gonna be out on Black Friday. I'm gonna be out a ton this weekend. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, Nike Burrows right here. Port Royales with cheese. All the old people know what I'm talking about. All you youngins don't know what the hell I'm talking about. They got these. The hell are those called? Interlocks? I don't know. Whatever. Air Force One platforms. Oh man, these are weird. Jordan OGs. Oh my goodness, go for hella cheap. Flyknit Racers. Air Max 90s. We got some Vapor Max 2021 Flyknits. Under $100, dude. Under $100 after 30% discount. And these are super close, not bad. In the performance section, check out some running shoes. Phantom Rag Flyknit 2s. Infinity Run Flyknit 2s. Another one of those. Oh my goodness, these are so cheap, especially with the discount. I guess it's 39s. Way more love in the guy section. 38s. More of those. I guess it's Trail 3s. Another one of those. And I think that's it, you guys. I think that's it. I'm gonna have to head out because I need to hit up one more spot, like I said. Yeah, freaking dope. Apparently I did talk to one of the workers. The Black Friday deal has already started. This is their Black Friday deal right here. 30% off. That's it. That's it, you guys. I am being nosy. I just looked around right here. Yeah, I looked at their shoes. They didn't really have much. But yeah, I need a backpack for a kid that I know I've been looking for. This is cheap though, man. This is $30. I was about to get it, but it's so flimsy, and like it's $30. $30, you do get another 20% off on top of that. That's just how cheap. But nah, man, I wouldn't want this, and if I wouldn't want it for myself, I'm not gonna give it to this kid. So yeah, the search continues. I might have to give him one of my Jordan backpacks, man. I have like 3 or 4 Jordan backpacks that I don't have. 3 or 4 retro Jordan backpacks. Maybe I might have to give that to him. All right, let's grab this and let's get the hell out of here. Let's go. All right, guys, that is how the Black Friday sales are going to be. I've had a few of you guys ask on Instagram and ask comments, that type of stuff. That's pretty much about it. It does look like they started earlier. Usually they don't do that. Usually it starts like right on Black Friday or on Thanksgiving. Remember a few years in a row, like Nike outlets used to open on Thanksgiving. I hit up the clearance store right at 8 o'clock, but nah, they're not opening till the morning on Black Friday. Some of them open at 6, some of them open at 7, some of them open at 8, so make sure you guys check. But 30% off, that's pretty much about it. You do get to stack like deals, so like if something's already on sale, you do get an extra 30% on top of that, because it's 30% off of everything, which is pretty freaking dope. The real question is, are they going to get new stuff? Are they going to get more stuff throughout the weekend? Like, you know, is it better to go right on Friday when it's packed as hell? Everything's going to be crazy. So is it better to go on Friday, or, you know, are they going to, you know, put everything out on Friday and then not have anything new on Saturday? I don't know. I haven't really had a chance to talk to too many people about that. The reason I went to this one, like I know I just went to this one like last weekend and y'all just saw that video, but the reason I went to this one as well as Camarillo is because now I could focus on some of the other outlets like centralized like in LA and stuff. These two kind of tend to be a little away from Los Angeles, so Friday I can just hit up all of LA and just see what I can find. The Westlake one, that's probably one of the closer ones to LA, and like traffic wise and stuff like that, it worked out, and I had to find out what's going on. A couple of you guys did message me that they did have 30% off, so I do appreciate those of you guys that did let me know. So I had to go find out, and I had to get video, and you know, I was like, hey, I think I can hit these two up before they close, because I had to go after work. I had to work and then had to go to these two spots because I wanted the latest information regarding the outlets, you know, for the 2 days for Thanksgiving as well as tomorrow, which is Black Friday. Tomorrow's video, my goal is to throw that out at you know, throw that bad boy out at 5 a.m. so hopefully you guys get a chance to check it out before you guys head out. Those of you guys on the East Coast, my bad, you guys, my bad. Hopefully you guys can get plenty of information from this video. And hopefully you guys need to get out there. Pretty much 30% off, and then you just have to know which outlets to hit up. You know, some are gonna have stuff, some probably not gonna have too much. I know Camarillo is gonna be a freaking tourist trap. That's kind of why I went there today. I know the Citadel, that one's gonna be crazy. Like both of those two. I think I went to both of those two one year for Black Friday, and I was in line like crazy, and that's just not something that I'm interested in. So I'm gonna hit up some of the other outlets where I'm not expecting crazy lines like that. There might be lines, but it's not gonna be as crazy as those two. So we'll see. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you guys had a fantastic Thanksgiving. You know, hopefully Korea won. Oh, I forgot to wear my Korea jersey. Yeah, I'm gonna be watching the game first thing in the morning. So when this video comes out, I'll probably be watching, and you know, I'll either be really happy or depressed, one or the other. So we'll see what you guys said. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Y'all know I just can't say thank you enough. For you guys that do watch each and every one of my videos, I appreciate you guys so much. Like y'all don't know how much. So but yeah, thanks so much. Make sure you help a boy. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new, press that subscribe button, you guys. Commitment issues and whatever, and just go ahead subscribe, because I do throw out tons and tons of videos. But yeah, thanks so much for stopping by. Got plenty of videos coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Hope you guys ate plenty, man. Hope you guys ate plenty. These are Court Legacy. And these are going for, oh, this ain't the blazer on that. It is 30% off. Do see what I'm wearing. These are the Nike Dunk LeBron James. This is a $20 Vaporfly neck.